Yo, what is going on, everyone? My name is Josh, and today we got a new unboxing video, and it is Travis Scott merch, which means I ordered this forever ago, and it just took forever to come in. So what we have here are some Travis Scott tees that just came in, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep one and then resell one, because they're packs of 3, so why not keep a pack and then resell a pack? So let's get right into it. I'll be honest, I really thought this was my Cactus Plant Flea Market hoodie, but I guess I was wrong, of course. I forgot what I ordered. Travis keeps releasing stuff and I keep ordering it because it's gonna resell, but it takes so long to get here that over time it's just like, do I even want to resell it now? But let's get right into it anyway. So they're literally just simple Cactus Jack t-shirts. They come in packs of 3. I don't remember if they're long sleeve or short sleeve, so we're gonna see. I want to say they're probably short sleeve, but that would be kind of fire if they were long sleeve. But we're gonna find out. I forgot. That's how long it's been. That's like for real how long it's been. But we got 2 of them, so let's open one, of course, because why else would we be here for an unboxing video? Then we got the UPS slip that just says Cactus Jack, white tee, 3-pack, 2 of them. $56 is what I paid total for both of those, is what it says, I think, with shipping and stuff. But I don't know. I wonder how much I could sell it for. Like, literally, I could probably sell a pack of that for 50 bucks and basically just keep one for free, or make another 50 bucks and sell one, but I'm about to open one so you guys could see. So it's about to undead stock it, so rip resell. That's okay, what are you gonna do? So getting right into it, here's the packaging, and as you can tell, I mean, they do a lot of effort on the packages, even with printing on this like little package that they know we're just gonna throw away for the most part. So I mean, props to them for going really all out for the product, and that is really dope on their part. I enjoy companies who do that. The only thing they need to work on is their shipping time. Like, really, that is all. If they had their shipping times up, Travis Scott's merch would go crazy, like even more. But let's check out the tee. Alright, so here's a little closer look to it, and like I said, you can tell they actually care a little bit about their packaging and how they present it, because they got it laid out just like that. Now, it is just a white short sleeve with the Cactus Jack logo screen printed on there. I mean, at the end of the day, it's a really nice, simple piece, and I think what I'm going to do is, if you guys are interested, this is going to be for sale, 50 bucks for the pack of 3, and then I'm selling 2 of these, 1 or 2 of these for about 20 bucks a piece, and I'm just gonna keep 1 because that's really all I wanted from it, was just like 1 or 2 tees. I kind of look at it like it's the Supreme tagless short sleeves as well, almost like how they just have like a simple logo right there, and that's that. Now you're still supporting the brand, and it's just something simple to rock. Sometimes people don't want all that flashy stuff, and that's just how it is. That's how I am sometimes too. Sometimes it's good to just have it simple. Like, this will go crazy with a pair of black pants and brown shoes, black socks, and then you got this on. That would go hard, probably. There's a little close-up of it again. As you can tell, it's just a nice, simple, 1-color screen print, and then this is the tag if you guys are interested. Created by Travis Scott, LaFlame Enterprises, all that good stuff, size medium. So if you guys do want one, hit me up, Instagram Hybrid Josh. They might be gone, who knows. I do post a lot on Grailed, so if you guys are interested in anything that I unbox, that I'm selling, that I mentioned on here, go check out my Grailed. My Grailed is Hybrid Josh, and I also sell some unreleased hybrid stuff there too, so maybe you guys could snag some cool pieces that you may find on there. Who knows? But yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think. I'm definitely going to be keeping this for the personal, and like I said, nothing on the back. It's just a nice tagless t-shirt, and you can't go wrong with it. Like, I like to do that stuff with my brand as well, and just, I need to start doing that more, and that's just making nice, 1-color, simple prints, so people could just rock them whenever, or, you know, sleep in it type deal, go skateboarding, do whatever in it. But let me know what you guys think down below. One thing, like I said, I don't like about Travis Scott's merch is that it just takes so long to get here, and it takes so long to ship. Like, I forgot I ordered these. Like, I thought it was the hoodie that came in today, not even the shirts. I didn't even know I got these. Like, they could have never sent me these and I would have forgot. I don't even know what I ordered with the Cactus Plant order either, if it was just the hoodie or if I got some other stuff with it. I guess we're gonna find out. It's gonna be like I'm unboxing stuff on Christmas that I have no clue of. Did you guys pick up these tees? If you did, let me know. If not, also let me know. I'm curious to hear you guys' opinions. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. This has been Josh, and I'm out. Peace.